Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my 2011 Mercedes ML300 and today I've got a video for you on how to quickly replace the front left parking lamp. So as you can see, currently we've got the parking lamp front left error warning showing on the dashboard cluster. So the trick with the left hand side headlamp is we need to get in through, there's not a lot of room. As you can see, we've got a lot of stuff going on. But if you look in here, there's a gap, which we can see there. And what I find is to get a long pair of needle nose pliers, put through the hole down there, and then bring it through. And if you look here, there's a gap here. You can look through here where you'll be able to see the pliers. So I'll get the needle nose pliers through, and you'll see me come through with the pliers. Okay, so you can see I've got the pliers on the base of the lamp attachment. And what you need to do is you simply rotate it anti-clockwise and then you pull it out. So now that we've got the lamp out of the holder, we simply pull the bulb out. Should pop out quite easily. There we go. So there's the old bulb. And just looking at that, you can quite clearly see that the filament is blown there. Give you a bit of a look. You can see that. And then we've got our new bulbs here. A pair of T10 blue bulbs to put in. Quite simple. We just then pop the new bulb in. So having put the new bulb in, it's just a reverse procedure to get the bulb back in. A little bit tricky, but we use the pliers to get the bulb back into the headlamp assembly. If you have found this video useful, do feel free to like, share and subscribe.